We really thought, we could be ready for it.
The storm especially causing problems for businesses and neighbors living along creek beds. Incredible images out of Nevada City tonight. The creek alongside Lefty's Grill rose so rapidly it flooded part of the building.
CBS 13's Jennifer McGraw continues our team coverage from Nevada County with more on the damage. Jennifer?
Yeah, Sam and Sharon, the heavy rain has finally let up. The river has subsided. This here was all the way up here just about 2 hours ago. That's how much the river has gone down. Just over the way, that's the real problem where the river is damaging the patio. It was well above the patio. Take a look. This was from earlier today. This creek turned into a raging river and is hammering the patio. The owner says on a good day, it's 8 feet below this deck. Now it's clear over the deck. The water even started seeping through the kitchen floor and the dining area, forcing this business to close. The last time this business saw flooding similar to this, I was told, was nearly 20 years ago. Since then, they've done a lot of updates and structure, fixing the underneath, actually, this deck, and we're not prepared for something like this. Luckily, they have a good support team and dozens of people moving furniture and trying to get pumps out here to get as much water out of that building as possible.
Boy Scouts, family, friends, you name it. They all came. So little town in the foothills came together. Everybody's sandbagging for people. So we wouldn't have got this far without.
Neighbors in Grass Valley are also doing their part to sandbag areas alongside the raging creeks down there. There are several low-lying areas that have been affected, and many who are experiencing flooding also have had to deal with power outages today. So again, here at Lefty's, this is some of the major issues that they're dealing with. They're used to the river being way down there. Now it's way up here and seeping through the ground. Hopefully, with all the rain coming down and the snow melting from the Sierras, doesn't cause too much more damage for these folks here in Nevada City.
Lefty's has seen this happen before, but this is quite the mess. Jennifer McGraw, thank you so much.